Good evening, ladies and jelly beans. What we're going to be doing tonight is taking the shitty factory control arms off of Princess Bubblegum and replacing them with Godspeed ones because money is a real thing. So remember that. Buy Godspeed because it's cheap.
Begin by removing the factory control arms. I started with the toe arm.
I am putting these arms in tonight, but this car is not getting aligned tonight. And I see where you think I'm going with this. So, what we're actually
going there.
Oh, yeah, we're going home crooked. So what I'm gonna be doing is basically just making each arm kind of be approximately factory length, putting it on the car, and then I'm gonna align it tomorrow. Well, I'm not gonna align it tomorrow. Caitlin's gonna align it tomorrow.
To make the process easier, it's best to support the knuckle. I used a jack with a 4x4 on it. This prevents the bolts from binding when you're trying to remove them. Some of the bolts will probably be difficult to undo. Most of them probably haven't moved in 20 plus years.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I'm gonna buy a Toyota next. So this is long. We're gonna make this the same amount of long. They're almost already the same amount of long. This has this bend in it too, right here. This bend that's for mad low. So you can get extra low. It's just the bend to allow the knuckle to sit a little bit lower. For reasons. It helps the geometry out a bit, which is fine, because I failed math. That's the one with shapes, right? So what I'm doing is taking the arm apart so that I can just anti-seize the stuff, because hopefully one day I can take it all back apart again. That would be good. Ideal. So when you do the anti-seize, all you have to do is take a little bit, just apparently a little dab will do you, just kind of like that. Just get it all on there. That's probably plenty, and then you'll just smooth it out with the nut. On the other side, I put on way too fucking much, so don't forget that little weird wavy crush washer. That helps. That put it on the wrong side. Helps if you put it on the right side. Do that, put it on the right side. Nut goes on. And then it'll just, as you work it down the shaft, the nut will spread all of the creamy juice to all of the threads. God damn it, I will not let you defeat me. It helps if you turn it the right way. These are, one side is right hand thread, one side is left hand thread, which is what you want in a control arm package. The ones that are both like right hand threads, those suck and avoid them. You want like the right hand, left hand thread so that you can just turn the turnbuckle in the center when you go to align the car. That makes everything so easy. So you don't have to disconnect one side, measure it out, reconnect it. That's just a goddamn nightmare. And the companies that make dual right-hand thread control arms are literally agents of Satan. So, just the top tip. Because these Godspeed arms are the circle kind that go around the coilover, you have to take the coilover off first. And don't reattach the toe arm. Because you'll never get that shit off with the toe arm still on. You could do that, you could pull the axle, but that seems a lot harder. But that is always an option.
Disconnect the upper control arm. You may have to use some violence on these bolts. Once the old arm is out, you can install the new one and dial out all of that negative camber, or get you that stance boy life.
Tech Talk tip. Just the tip. What is it called? Just the tip. When you're installing arms on the knuckle side, don't over tighten them if your car is lowered. Just snug them up, because when the car drops, it will tighten that up, and if it's over tightened, it will it'll compress and it won't move freely. That's how you do that stuff. It's terrible.
With your new arms installed, you're ready to hit the track.
My car is going around the course because it sounds like somebody's chewing on Chewbacca's nutsack. Everyone knows.